The top Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 cases are essential for protecting Samsung's latest foldable phone. Despite Samsung's efforts to enhance the durability of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 compared to its predecessor, a case can help maintain the phone's pristine condition for a longer period. With Samsung now offering 7 years of software and security support for this device, it's crucial to prevent scratches and more severe damage to the hardware. If the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has persuaded you to invest in this $1,099 phone, we have selected cases that provide stylish protection for your new purchase. We have sought-out cases that offer superior drop protection, enhance the phone's appearance, and include additional features that benefit your Galaxy Z Flip 6. Here are top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. The Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro is the ultimate choice for those who need maximum protection for their Galaxy Z Flip 6. This rugged case boasts an impressive 20-foot drop protection rating, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts or those working in challenging environments. It comes with a built-in screen protector, adding an extra layer of defense for your device's display. The case also features a pop-out kickstand and ring holder for added functionality, as well as a detachable holster that can be used with a belt clip or strap. Available in black, green, red, gray, and blue, it offers some style options despite its focus on protection. At 5 ounces, it's significantly heavier than other cases, and its bulky design may not be suitable for everyday use for all users. However, for those prioritizing ultimate protection, the Unicorn Beetle Pro is hard to beat. Number 7. Spigen Tough Armor Pro. The Spigen Tough Armor Pro case combines robust protection with convenient functionality for your Galaxy Z Flip 6. Available in black, slate, gunmetal, and blue, this case features a built-in kickstand that's perfect for hands-free video calls or media viewing. When not in use, the kickstand sits flush with the case, maintaining a sleek profile. While Spigen doesn't provide specific drop test metrics, they promise military-grade shock protection, giving you peace of mind in case of accidental drops. The case is constructed from a combination of polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane, balancing rigidity and flexibility for optimal protection. At 1.6 ounces, it's slightly heavier than some alternatives, but the added weight comes with increased durability. The Tough Armor Pro is a bit pricier than basic cases, but its extra features justify the cost. Number 6. Temdan Galaxy Z Flip 6 Case. The Temdan Galaxy Z Flip 6 case offers exceptional value for budget-conscious consumers. Priced at around $30, often less during sales, it doesn't skimp on features. This case includes a built-in screen protector for the cover display, adding an extra layer of defense for one of the phone's most vulnerable areas. A raised ridge around the main display prevents surface contact when laid face down. The case incorporates built-in cushioning to absorb shock from drops, providing comprehensive protection. Available in black, dark black, light blue, navy blue, red, and silver, it offers some style options. While it may appear slightly bulkier than some alternatives, the added protection and included kickstand functionality make it a solid choice for those seeking maximum value. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 Silicone. Samsung's official silicone case for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is designed for those who prefer a minimalist approach to protection. This slim, flexible case comes in a variety of colors including blue, navy, green, yellow, and gray, allowing you to complement or contrast your phone's original hue. A standout feature is the built-in ring that pops out for easy carrying or propping up your device, but folds flat when not needed. Being an official Samsung product, you're guaranteed a perfect fit that doesn't interfere with any of the phone's functions. While it may not offer heavy-duty shock absorption, it provides adequate protection against minor scratches and dings without adding bulk, making it ideal for those who prioritize maintaining the phone's sleek profile. Number 4. Ringke Fusion. The Ringke Fusion case is the perfect choice for those who want to show off their Galaxy Z Flip 6's original design while still providing solid protection. This clear case boasts military-grade drop protection, ensuring your device stays safe from everyday accidents. Despite its protective capabilities, the case remains slim and lightweight at just 1.1 ounces. It's fully compatible with wireless charging and Samsung Pay, so you won't lose any functionality. The case also features lanyard attachment points, allowing for additional accessories if desired. While some might find its appearance plain, that's precisely the point. It's designed to showcase your phone rather than the case itself. The Ringke Fusion offers a great balance of protection and visual appeal at an affordable price point. Number 3. Casetify Impact. The Casetify Impact case is the go-to option for fashion-forward Galaxy Z Flip 6 owners. With an astounding array of hundreds of customizable designs, this case allows you to express your personal style while keeping your device safe. It's not just about looks, though. The Impact case offers solid protection with a 6.6-foot drop rating, ensuring your phone survives most accidental falls. The case maintains compatibility with wireless charging, so you won't have to sacrifice convenience for style. Crafted from a blend of thermoplastic polyurethane and polycarbonate, it provides a good balance of flexibility and durability. The main drawback is its higher price point compared to other options, but for many, the unique designs justify the cost. Number 2. Caseology Parallax. The Caseology Parallax case stands out for its focus on grip and handling. Available in subtle gray, green, and purple color options, this case features a unique texture design that not only looks stylish but also provides a secure hold on your Galaxy Z Flip 6. In addition to the textured exterior, the case includes adhesive strips for extra stability. Despite these grippy features, the case maintains a relatively slim profile, weighing in at just 1.1 ounces. It's constructed from a blend of polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane, offering a good balance of protection and flexibility. While the design might be considered simple by some, its functionality and affordable price point make it an attractive option for those prone to dropping their phones. Number 1. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro stands out as the top choice for Galaxy Z Flip 6 protection. Available in clear, gray, blue, and black, this case offers robust scratch resistance without compromising on sleekness. Its low-profile design ensures your phone remains pocket-friendly, while still providing ample protection against everyday bumps and drops. The case is fully compatible with wireless charging, allowing for convenient power-ups. For those opting for the clear version, Spigen's anti-yellowing technology ensures the case maintains its transparency over time, letting you showcase your phone's original color. While it doesn't boast any flashy special features, its balance of protection, style, and functionality makes it an excellent all-rounder for most users. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.